There's a guide on how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is, click on your profile icon in the bottom right section of your screen. After that, click on the three bars on the top right section of your screen, which will open this category, which is Settings and Activity. After that, click on Account Center. And in the Account Center page, you have to scroll down and click on Password and Security. After that, in the Login and Recovery category, you have to click on the second option, which says Two-Factor Authentication. After that, you have to choose the account that you want to turn off the authentication for. For me, it's Depresso, so I'm going to click on this. After that, you have to click on the authentication app, okay? After clicking on it, click on this toggle button, okay? You can toggle it off. So I'm going to click on this. After that, it will give you a warning which says if you turn off two-factor authentication, your account will no longer have an extra layer of protection. So if you're sure, click on turn off. You have turned off two-factor authentication, and that's it.